Today I'm going to show you how to cooking rice with a stainless steel pot. First, you wash your rice and then put it into a stainless steel pot with cold water. So the ratio of rice and cold water is 1:1. For example, 2 cups of rice and 2 cups of water. I have been souping the rice for around 15 minutes. Then I turn on the gas and turn it to the maximum heat. And then I cover the lid and wait until it boils. And don't just leave it there. You have to keep an eye on it because it just takes few minutes. Otherwise, the waters will keep boiling and all will come out. After a few minutes, you will see the water start boiling and there was some bubble in the pot. And then you will turn to a medium low heat for around 10 to 15 minutes. It much depends on how much amount of rice you are cooking and also the gas energy, how maybe some stove are much more stronger, some stove are weaker. So it depends, around 10 to 15 minutes. After cooking the rice in medium-low heat for 10 minutes, you can see the edge of the rice is detached from the pot. That means the rice is ready, it's well cooked. So then you turn off the heat and leave the pot on the stove. Don't move it, don't open the lid for 15 minutes. After turning off the heat and leave it on the stove for 15 minutes, then you can open the lid. And you will see the rice is ready, it's soft. And when you dig to the bottom of the pot, you will see the rice is not stuck or stick at the bottom and there's no burn. The rice is perfect and ready to serve.